Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. You guys, today I'm gonna give you 5 tips to help your hair this winter, and they're budget friendly. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So tip number 1 is to put oil in your shampoo. You do not want your hair to be dry. You do not want to really shampoo your hair, especially if you have a clarifying shampoo to strip all your hair. To strip all the oils out of your hair, we are wanting our hair to be as moisturized as possible, because with it snowing and it being so cold outside right now, you actually want your hair to retain all the moisture that it needs. And some shampoos are very stripping and very drying. So if you know that your hair is more on that brittle, drier side, I will say not to shampoo your hair every week, and to also, see, I already got y'all's back. I just added an extra one in there for you. Not to shampoo every week, but if you do need to shampoo every week, put a oil, any type of oil you want, into your shampoo bottle. Give it a shake, and remember that you have oil in your shampoo bottle. So every time you go to shampoo your hair, just make sure you give the bottle a good shake before you apply the shampoo to your hair, because, you know, water and oil don't mix and blah 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 blah, and because you didn't formulate the shampoo right, or because you didn't formulate the shampoo yourself, you're going to need to make sure that the oil didn't go to the top and then have a whole separation thing, and then you just squirt out your shampoo and it's just a whole bunch of oil. So make sure you shake it up every time before you use your shampoo, and that will help your hair not be as dry. So tip number 2 is make sure you bump up your hot oil treatment. So if you normally pre-poo with a cream, you can do a hot oil treatment, any oil of your choice, you guys. I don't like to tell you a particular oil, because some people, if I say olive oil, somebody's going to ask me if they can use coconut oil, vice versa. So I like to say just use any type of oil of your choice. My favorite oils to do this with is olive oil or jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a little bit more expensive, so doing a hot oil treatment, I wouldn't necessarily do it with a jojoba oil. I would do it with a more cheaper carrier oil, like a grapeseed oil, if you're looking for a lighter oil. But doing a hot oil treatment as a pre-poo, or just doing a hot oil treatment period within the week, is going to get your hair and your curls very hydrated and very popping. So make sure you are doing your hot oil treatments, which is going to lead me into the 3rd thing, is to make sure you're deep conditioning your hair. Deep conditioning cannot be skipped in the winter months. It can be skipped sometime in the summer, but most definitely in the winter you need to deep condition your hair, so that you can add that moisture in your hair strands. So you are deep conditioning your hair, you're going to notice the bounce. You're going to notice that your hair is holding the moisture a lot more. If you notice that your hair, like, the moisture escapes really fast, you should probably try to do a pre-poo, shampoo, condition, and then deep condition, and then style your hair. Because if you're missing that deep conditioner, you probably are noticing a lot of, like, dryness, or a lot of dryness. That's just it. You're probably noticing a lot of dryness. So probably try to add that deep conditioning into your regimen. Another thing is, if you don't want to shampoo, you need to do a cold wash. Am I on 4 or am I on 5? I don't even know. But if you co-wash your hair, that will avoid the shampoo situation and the dry situation, and you can most definitely keep your hair moisturized with co-washing. But co-washing is not a clarifying shampoo. So like I said before in the beginning, if you need to clarify your hair, try to do clarifying your hair one time, maybe out of the month, or maybe every other week. But make sure that you are still cleaning your hair but use a co-wash. A co-wash is so much more hydrating. It's more creamier. A lot of the co-washes that I've used, my favorite has been the As I Am co-wash and the Cantu co-wash. I will grab that. That one's a little bit more foamier, have a more foamier consistency, but I really like the As I Am co-wash. And if you don't have the coin for those two, just do an apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar rinse is so cheap, depending on, I mean, because you know the apple cider vinegar with the mother is about maybe between $4 and $7-8, depending on where you get it from. Girl, one thing I am gonna tell you is don't go to Target to go get some apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Go to Walmart. No, don't go to Walmart. I don't even know. Honestly, we have Winco here. Winco's apple cider vinegar is $3 and like 28 cents or 27 cents or something like that, and Walmart has it for like $5.80 something cents. So I mean, shop around to see where you, if you want to bargain with some apple cider vinegar. Like, it may not even be that serious to everybody, but I mean, whatever. Okay, so the next thing is to wear your hair. If you have a hat on, make sure you have a hat with a satin lining in it. Let me show you. This is my hat that I love to wear, and it has a satin lining in the inside of it. It has a drawstring on the inside of it. You guys, I am going to remember to get this hat and leave the link down in the description, but I absolutely love this hat for my head. It's big, it fits on my hair, especially because all of my hair, I had to leave it basically in the drains of Atlanta because of my hair thinning. But it's not in the drains, it's in the trash. But I'll bring it back here. Nevertheless, y'all, that hat will fit on your hair if you have a lot of hair, because I had that hat when I had the bulk of my hair, and that hat super fits on my hair now that it's thinner. But getting a hat that have a satin lining in it is going to be your best friend, especially if you have curls. You don't have to worry about like getting a hat and leaving on your head rag, and then what if your hat fall off or whatever. This hat is so perfect because it looks like a Scully. I don't know, it looks like a Scully, but it's not raggedy. Like, it's really good quality. So I will most definitely leave that link down below. So yeah, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Please, if you do any other tips that I didn't mention, please leave them down in the comment section so we can help our curly friends out this winter. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.